Hey everyone, this is Russell Brunson. I want to welcome you to day number 17. Congratulations, you've made it a long way. If you're still watching right now, you made it past where most people will get. And so congratulations to yourself for doing that. And we've just begun. A lot more really cool, really exciting things are coming up for you guys. Okay? So if you remember yesterday, we talked a lot about on-site SEO. Today we're going to be focusing on off-site SEO. And I'm going to show you guys some really powerful, really simple, and really cheap ways to get backlinks. If you remember, it's kind of a two-step game. Step one is all the on-site stuff you're doing. Step two is all the off-site stuff. When you learn these two strategies, it makes SEO very simple and very easy. So yesterday hopefully gave you everything you need to know about on-site SEO. Good thing about WordPress, especially if you use SEO Presser, is it gives you 99.9% of everything you need on the on-site stuff. So it makes it very simple, very easy. Now we're going to be focusing on the off-site, and this is where it really gets a lot of fun. So let's dive right in and get started. And really quickly, I want to recap your homework from yesterday. Again, if you watched the video, you know Josiah's video, you know about the power of SEO Presser. I would highly recommend putting it out on your blog, just that way you can kind of see what's happening on site-wise. You can see, how your keyword density, your titles, all that kind of stuff, how it's working, if you're doing it correctly. So that's the biggest thing. And then go back, edit some of your past posts you have on your blog, make sure those things are up to date, and then get ready for off-site promotions, which is what we are doing right now. So let's dive right in. Okay, to begin with, I want to really help you guys understand the power of backlinking, okay? And this is, if you want to know the whole story behind search, this is what made Google Google. Prior to this, they had all sorts of weird ranking algorithms that people had. It was very difficult. If you remember pre-Google, it was hard to get, good search results from any search engine. It was very difficult. And when Google came out, kind of their big, aha from their algorithm they created was, hey, how about we rank people based on how many other sites are linking to them? Okay, if they've got a lot of sites linking to them, that means they're probably a good site. That was kind of their big, thing that they added to the search game, and that instantly, literally overnight, changed the search world forever. Okay, so Google's algorithm is still basically based on this, and there's a lot of other elements as well now. A lot of stuff we'll be covering during month 2, but you just need to understand that the core part of their algorithm was that, is how many sites are linking back to you. Okay, and basically, if you went to Google and you found out a website that's ranked number 1 in Google, and they have 100 links pointing back to them, in theory, if you got 101 links, then you're going to be ranked higher than them. Okay, and it used to, probably 5 or 6 years ago, that's exactly what it was. It was literally just a numbers game. Now, since then, Google's gotten a lot smarter. Marketers have abused the privilege, I guess. So instead of just being raw numbers of links, they started shifting it to a lot of other things like natural links and quality links, so that, if a site's linking to you, and let's say you have a website about wrestling, and another wrestling website is linking to you, they're going to give more quality to that than if a cooking website's linking to a wrestling website. Okay, so they start looking for quality, where the links are similar. Links that weren't just, garbage links and things like that. They links that came from pages that had other links pointing to them. A lot of things like that they started building into their algorithm, so that they could get better quality results for their surfers. Okay, people online surfing for things. And so obviously the algorithm has changed a lot, but the core root of everything still is backlinks. Okay, so again, what a backlink basically is, it's a link where somebody else's website is linking to yours. Now, one of the keys though is that backlink, you want to have your keywords in it as like an anchor text link. Okay, so for example, in this picture right here, if you notice right here, the keywords I was focusing on is Vigon Zapper. Okay, and so you notice that Vigon Zapper is the underlined keyword. Now, someone clicks on Vigon Zapper, it takes them over here to this YouTube video. Okay, so that is the keyword I'm focusing on now is Vigon Zapper. So if your keyword's internet marketing or .com secrets X or underachiever secrets, whatever your keyword is, you want to make sure that keyword is a clickable link. Okay, does that make sense for you guys, hopefully? It can't just be just some randomly talking about underachievers. The keywords you want to rank for need to be that. So if my goal is to rank this page right here, this YouTube video, for the words Vigon Zapper, I want to make sure, on the on-side of this page, I'm going to be focusing on the word Vigon Zapper. And again, we taught you guys that yesterday with your WordPress site. So you're focused on that. And then the second step is getting those same keywords linking to that same page. And if you can do that, step 1 is on-site, step 2 is off-site. Those 2 steps right there, that is really the key to the whole SEO game. Okay, again, now there's more things that go into this, but if you can understand those 2 aspects, it'll get you 95% of the way there. Okay, so that's the power of backlinking. So I'm sure a lot of you guys are thinking, okay, that sounds cool, I get it. The more backlinks I get, the higher I rank in Google. How do I start getting backlinks? How do I get quality ones? How do I get natural looking backlinks? And that's what I'm going to show you guys how to do right now during these videos, okay? Now, really quick, I want to show you the results just for that keyword that I was focusing on, the Vigon Zapper. Basically, you can see right here, if you go to Google and type in Vigon Zapper, the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 listings are all my site. Okay, the first 3 are my site, and the second 2 are videos from one of our success stories. Okay, so I've gotten, for those keywords, I own the first 5 spots. Okay, so again, the keys to kind of remember here is the more links you get, the higher you're going to rank in Google. And the nice thing, and we're going to talk a lot about this during month number 2, is you can actually rank multiple pages. Okay, can you imagine someone goes to Google and types in your keyword, and boom, not only do you see 1 page, but 5 of them are yours. That's really powerful. That's when you start getting a lot of traffic. Okay, again, I'll focus more on that during month number 2, but that's kind of the results we got with just this one keyword. Now, obviously, Vigon Zapper is not super competitive, but these strategies work even with really competitive keywords as well. Okay, now the secret resource that we use to get most of our backlinks nowadays, let's say probably 80-85% of our backlinks are coming from a site called Fiverr. Now, if you've never heard of Fiverr, it's the coolest site in the world. It's fiverr.com, Fiverr.com. And on the site, people post jobs that they'll do for $5. So there's all sorts of crazy stuff. I had a girl who wrote .com secrets on her forehead. She's a 17-year-old high school girl, and she wore it on her forehead the entire day in high school for $5. Okay? That's kind of the weird stuff you can do. There's all sorts of, anyway, tons of random stuff you can do. But the nice thing is that people have a lot of marketing jobs in there, a lot of link building jobs in there they'll do for $5. Okay? So all we do is we go to Fiverr and we type in different types of links that we want. And I'll talk to you in the next 2 slides about what these links are and the types to be searching for. But we type in the types of links we want. And then there's a little button there that says rating. If you can see, I have an arrow pointing to it in the image. That'll rate the people based on who's got the most success, most happy people, things like that. Okay, so click on rating. It'll sort the people so you can just work with people who you know are successful, who actually get you the right kind of links. Then you pay $5 and boom, almost instantly you get $1,000 worth of value, $1,000 worth of backlinks for just $5. Okay. Again, this is one of our strategies we've been using like crazy, and I'm going to be showing you there's kind of a 2-step punch. Day number 1, I'm going to be showing you how to get links from it. Tomorrow, I'm going to be showing you how to get links to those links, and again, you'll understand that more tomorrow. But it's kind of a 2-step punch. Today, we'll be focusing on step number 1. Okay. So that's kind of one of the big secret ahas. That's what most SEO guys nowadays are doing to get a lot of links very, very quickly. Now I'm going to show you the next slides, the type of links you want to get, because there's good links, there's bad links, there's different strategies for different links, and I'll talk to you on the next slide about the types of links you want for your web page. Okay, and I want to show you really quickly the 2 core ones that we focus on a lot are called link pyramids and link wheels. If you look right here, this picture right here is an example of a link pyramid, and this is an example of a link wheel. Now, there's a lot of stuff that goes behind it, but it's not really that important that you even understand what goes behind it, but I'm going to kind of briefly just show you. A link wheel, this little picture right here in the middle, this is going to be a link pyramid, this is your website. And link wheel, this little green one in the middle, this is your website. Okay? And what happens is, you take this website, remember I told you Google likes to see things organic? So if I came in tomorrow and I added 10,000 links to my website tomorrow, Google says that's not natural. No one gets 10,000 links overnight unless they're, featured on Oprah tomorrow. And so they said that's not really organic, that's not really how things happen. And so, what we do now is, because it's not organic, Google won't rank you for those things. So you need to make it look as organic as possible. So like, for example, this link wheel, this is your website here in the middle. And what happens, we'll get a link wheel to get a whole bunch of different websites like this to link to you, okay? And then what they do on the outside is they get all these websites to link to the websites that are linking to you. Okay, so what happens is your website is right here, and you get 10 links, you get 30 links from all these sites right here. But then this site right here gets 5 links from other places, and this one gets 5 links. So all of a sudden, it looks a lot more organic. And the quality of this, like right here, this link right here, the more links that are pointing to that, the more quality that page is. The more quality that page is, the higher it's going to rank, and then the higher it's going to rank for you. I don't know if that makes sense or not. If not, it's okay. It doesn't really need to make sense. It just works, okay? Same thing with link pyramid. This is your money site here in the middle. Here's the sites that are linking directly to you. And here's a bunch of links that are linking back to the sites that are linking to you, okay? So link wheel and link pyramid. Now, in the next video tomorrow, I'm going to cover a lot more about linking to your links. So don't stress about that right now. I'll cover that more tomorrow. But that's kind of the process. That's the link wheel and the link pyramid. Okay. Now, both of these you can purchase on Fiverr for about $5. Now, what's nice is a year ago, it would take some of my best guys a full day to build one link wheel, one link pyramid. Today, you can get done on Fiverr for $5. It's so crazy. So, link pyramids, link wheels are 2 great types of links you can get back to your site. The next one is social bookmarks. So, you type in Google, type in social bookmarks, boom, pay someone $5, and you get links coming back from social bookmarks. Next one are good are .edu and .gov links. These are links coming from like education sites and also from government sites. These links are hard to get, so Google ranks them really high. Again, you can get these links for just $5 on Fiverr. Next thing is article marketing. We all know the power of article marketing. For about $10, you can get someone to, first off, $5 to write an article and $5 to post that article to all the major article directories. Okay, so there's a lot of ways to get links very, very quickly. Each one of these is only going to cost you $5. Okay, so pretty powerful. Now, what I'm going to do on the next page, I'm actually going to be showing you guys a video that's going to show this process in action. You're going to see me post a content or post a comment on my blog, or post a product review on my blog. I'm going to go to Fiverr. I'm going to buy some backlinks, get those backlinks coming back there. You kind of see the whole process in action. And I think in the video I actually thrown a little tip that I'm going to be sharing with you guys in a couple days about how to find out which products are hot and which ones are hot right now. So you'll kind of get that tip there in the video as well. But this should help you get a better idea of seeing this whole process in action, because it works, it's really powerful, and it's a lot of fun after you see it work. So let's watch that video right now. Okay, I want to show you the strategy that we use to get our review sites ranked very high in the search engines, how we monetize traffic right when it's hot, and a couple other little secret ninja tricks. So hopefully this will help you a lot, and this video should get you excited. So first thing, again, is that every time I create a new product review, it creates a page. So let me show you what that means. Right now, this is just the home page. You kind of see a review of all the different affiliate links. So if I click on this one right here, it takes me to this, and this is a page that was just created. And if you notice the top right here, it's got the keywords I use are in the top up here. The keywords right here, my H1 tags, and a bunch of other things that are in there. Okay, you see how that all works? And so what I want is this page right here, I'm going to optimize for certain keywords. So again, for this one here, I use the keywords .com secrets X. Those are the keywords I was going after. But right now, I'm going to go and I'm actually going to create a new post and just show you how I would do this if I was doing it from scratch. So I'm going to go to posts. I'm going to click on add a new post. And the first thing I'm going to do is I want to figure out what product I'm going to review. Now, a lot of times the search engine strategy is you want to review for a product right when it's brand new, because then people will be searching for it and you'll get a lot of traffic. So one kind of secret is there's a site called jvnotifypro.com. If you just go to jvnotifypro.com, it'll redirect you to this page. But on this page, you notice if you scroll down here, it's kind of a calendar of all the product launches that are happening in the internet marketing industry right now. Okay, and you notice there's a billion of them. Every day there's a new product launch. So right now I'm recording this video. It's March 13th. So let's say it's, boom, March 13th. So right now, Social Metrics Pro is launching today. Looks like tomorrow, Hugely Profitable is launching. Email Cash is launching this day. So I might figure out something, let's say a week away. So Justin Michi is launching Carbon Copy Commission. So I'm going to click on this right here. And okay, the product name is going to be Carbon Copy Commission. So right now, if I go to Google and type in Carbon Copy Commissions, it's probably not very competitive yet. But in about a week from now, a lot of people are going to be searching. They're going to be getting a lot of emails during this product launch, and people are going to be looking for it. So I want my page ranked up there when they start searching. So I'm going to come back here and make my post. I'm going to call my review the product name, and I might do something here like controversial review or something like that. It's going to get someone to open or get someone to want to click on that. Then I'm going to actually review the product. Now I don't have a copy of this product, so I can't really review it, but I can say, hey, this new product is called boom, whatever. And again, I'm going to put notice the keywords right here. I'm going to add the keyword again in the body, and I don't have any like formula. I just usually add it once or twice in there. I say the product name again so that it shows up on the page. Oh, the other thing besides controversial review works good, the other one works really good is like huge bonus. So if you want to offer a bonus, like, hey, if you buy through my affiliate link, I'll give you, this free ebook or this free whatever it is. That way you get a lot of people who are searching and they see there's a big bonus and they'll buy from you versus all the other affiliates. Another kind of strategy. So then you review the product in here, you talk about it, and then you put in your affiliate link. So whatever the affiliate link is going to be, you can plug that in there, and basically the whole thing's done. You rate it whatever you want to rate it. You can do your subtitle. Your subtitle, you might want to put the keywords in again. So my Carbon Copy Commissions product review and huge bonus. Okay, I pick my category, whatever. So I'm just doing this as an example. Then I'm going to go and I'm going to publish it. Okay, so now what just happened is it just created this page for me. So if I come back here, I go back to the home page. You're going to notice that one comes up top. I'm going to click on Carbon Copy Commissions, and this is the page that's optimized for the keywords Carbon Copy Commission. Notice you'll see it up here, you'll see it right here, you see it right here. There's keywords in there 3 or 4 times, right? And then my affiliate link is in here. Okay, and obviously I would write a longer product review so it looks better when people show up, but that's kind of the That's kind of the basics behind how you create the page. Okay. Now, if you know anything about SEO, there's kind of a two-step process. There is on-site SEO, which is everything you do on your web page, and then there's off-site SEO, which is all of the links that are pointing back to you to that same web page. Okay, so I just did the on-site. This is 90% of everything on-site is what I just showed you. Okay, by making your blog post, it covers most of it. So now the second step I need is off-site. I need people linking to this page. And they can't just link to this page. They need to link to the page with the same keywords I'm focusing on. So if I'm focusing on carbon copy commissions, that's my keyword phrase. I want the blue hyperlinks that are on other people's pages being that. When someone clicks on it, it takes me back to this page. Okay, now, there's a lot of technical stuff behind it. That's all you need to know, is that you want the keyword, you want that to be the link. Okay. Now, there used to be a lot of software and things we would do to get links. Nowadays, we do a very simple process. It doesn't take any software and only costs me $5. There's a site called Fiverr.com. I'm sure you've probably heard of it, where everyone does projects for just $5. And I use the site a lot. As you can see, I have 20 unread notifications in the last probably 24 hours or so. So I use the site a lot. And I'm going to start looking for things. Now, there's a couple things I want to look for. One is called a link pyramid. I'm going to search for link pyramid, and these are a ton of people that are going to do get me links, link pyramid style links. Now, you don't need to know what a link pyramid is, just know they are good and you want them. You click on ratings because you're going to have, you want it rated by like the best type of people, and then look through the first 10 or so and find out which one looks good. So this one's going to give you 600 verified backlinks using XRunner. XRunner is a little scammy. I probably wouldn't use that. But let's see. Say, man, you build 150 high PR backlinks for $5. I will create 50 EDU and government links to your website for $5. So these are all like really good things. You'll notice 250 EDU backlinks. So yeah, I would just pick one of these things. You can click on it right here. You'll read about it. You'll notice it's $5 for 50 EDU links. These are really good. You see tons of positive reviews, no negative reviews, so you know this is going to be a good one. You come right here, you order it for $5, and after you order it, they're going to ask you for a couple things. They're going to ask you for your website URL, and I'm going to give them this URL right here, the one for my new page, and they're going to ask me what keyword they want me to link from, and I'm going to pick the keyword. I do those two things, you click submit, and boom, it's done. You'll start getting backlinks very, very quickly. Okay, so the type of links I look for, again, I look for link pyramids. Okay, so let's just hopefully load here. So link pyramids, one type, again, search by rating. So pyramids, actually pyramid might give me better results, so it's not plural. So link pyramid. Okay, so boom, there's a bunch of link pyramids. Okay, so there's a ton of them right there I looked through. The second thing I would search for are link wheels. I really like link wheels a lot as well. So here's a bunch of link wheels that are coming through here. Okay, so you notice a bunch there as well. Another one you can look for is .edu links. If you want .edu links, another good thing. Anyway, there's a lot of different ways to get links back here. So I normally do is I normally pick one or maybe two for each product review. And I rotate them through. One time maybe a link wheel, one time maybe a link pyramid, one time maybe I do edu links and .gov links. But usually I just pay $5 to $10 to get backlinks back to this one page, and that's it. And the next I review a new product, I go into Fiverr, I find different people, because I want it looking different and unique every time. I'll find other people to send links. Maybe I'll spend $5 or $10 getting links to the next page, and so on and so forth. And that's how you start getting a lot of links back to your pages, and each of these pages can rank for the individual product name that you're looking for. And that's kind of the concept on how we get ranked very quickly for the different product names. Okay, and so again, we're usually focusing on product names like carbon copy commissions. We're focusing on, if it's underachiever secrets, .com secrets X, we're focusing on the keyword we want, and then we're just driving a bunch of backlinks through Fiverr. And again, there's no right or wrong way to do this. Most of these are going to be really good. Just find one that has good reviews and pick one or two, maybe three for each product review, and that's about it. So it's pretty simple and easy, and that should get you ranked for the different keywords you're looking for and start getting traffic to those web pages very quickly. Okay, I hope this helps. Okay, I hope you guys had some fun with that. Your homework for today is basically go have some fun with Fiverr. So go into Fiverr and spend $15. Go buy a link wheel, buy a link pyramid, get a .edu link, whatever you need to do. But go test some of those things out and see the power of it happening in action. Put those links all back to your review page, and make sure you're using the keyword, the anchor text you want in the keywords. And when you buy your projects on Fiverr, they're going to ask you that. They're going to say, what keywords are you focusing on? And you say, I'm focusing on these 3 keywords, and this is the page I want to go into, and then they'll do all the work for you. And that's basically it. So go have some fun on Fiverr tonight. You can't really go wrong with it, so go test it out, see what happens. And tomorrow we're going to go to some of the kind of the next steps on this and how to really take it to the next level. So make sure you get at least, worst case, spend $5 so you can get one link wheel, one link pyramid, because tomorrow you need one of those for what we're going to be doing tomorrow. After someone creates your link wheel for you, they're going to give you a list of links, and that list of links is what we're going to be focusing on tomorrow. Okay? So go do your homework right now, and we'll talk to you guys tomorrow.